purpose of Ghana is to celebrate this great country that we all get to live in. Some of us have lived here all of our lives, and some of us only get to live here for a while, but we all get to celebrate the history and traditions that we share together. So I am looking forward to hearing from each of our classes, all of the things that you've learned, all of the things that you are going to perform for us. And
Thank you, Ms. Ellis. We can do better than that. Thank you.
This is my son. He's called Ali Baba. This is Haniba. Haniba.
In the central region, there are many languages spoken, such as Fanti, Agutu, and Ifiti.
Fisher flocks and farmers. Fanti Kenke, Eto and Apesie. Nananom ni ebusiafo. Yadamasi Semaba Anope. And Naya Enijeda. Today, a new member of the family and the community is being outlawed and named.
I want our child's name to honor our ancestors and carry their blessings. Yes, and it shall also show strength and resilience. This child shall be called Kofi Pimpon. Let this name bring happiness, respect, and honor to the family.
May this child's life be filled with joy, prosperity, and good health.
Moving on to fufu and goat light soup. Fufu is mostly made up of plantains or cassava or yam, and they pound it up in plantain, and it's tasty. And I very much advise you, if you're having lunch or dinner, you should really try this.
Buffet or puff puff, which is a snack enjoyed in West Africa. I'm sure some of you have tried it. Before I tried it myself, I just gotta say, this goes great with yogurt.
It was a dark evening. Kwejo and his friends were getting ready for one last trip in the ocean to catch some fishes. This with powder, and the fisherman do this 8-9 fish. Maminto. Debbie, meko fiena mako.
Next, we're gonna have a dance called the Kundum dance. The Kundum is both a harvest and a religious festival, and the dance is performed following the harvesting crops of the farmers.
Welcome to the northern region of Ghana.
find out about 5 interesting facts about the Volta region. So the Volta region is one of 16 administrative regions in Ghana, and the region's capital is named Home. So the vast majority of the population is actually from the Ewa tribe, and that is the language that we greeted you in.